The first person that I'd like to take through into themed weeks is Travis Jack. Well done, Travis, you're through the themed weeks. Well done, buddy. Right, joining Travis in next week's themed weeks, I'd like to take through Mia and Molly. Well done, girls, you're through the themed weeks. Well done, girls. Right, the next act that I'd like to take through into themed weeks is Irie and Mia. Well done, Irie and Mia. You're through the themed weeks. Well done. Right, joining them in next week's themed weeks, I'd like to take through Shane. Well done, Shane, you're through the themed weeks. Right, so I've got three acts left on the stage now, and this is difficult, but I've got two more spaces, alright? So I want everyone to know that everyone's talented on that stage. It's just a competition. I can only take through 6. One talent does have to leave my category this evening, alright? So, the next person I'd like to take through into themed weeks is Georgia and Will. Well done, Georgia and Will. You're through to themed weeks. Right, so we've got Alicia and SLE on the stage now. Two talents, two fantastic talents, but I do only have one more space for you, alright? I know this sounds really thing, but I'm kind of hoping that Anya does use a steal tonight because I think both of you do deserve a chance next week. She doesn't have to, I'm not putting anything on in mind, Anya, but I would like that. But the space that I'm giving on my category to go through to next week is SLE. I'd like SLE to join me, please. Anya, would you?
I'm off. I want to steal you. I can't be popular for you. I really want to do my category.
That's fantastic. You sure now 100%?
Yeah.
Can't use it again, man.
I know.
Yeah? Right, so Alicia, you go on in the competition still, alright? So, you'll go on to Anya's category as a steal, which means you're still in the competition, alright? So congratulations to all of you. You're all through to themed weeks, alright?